How to change the voice in ChatGPT on your PC. Here's how. Open your web browser and go to ChatGPT. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click your account name. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left and click Voice. Here, you'll see your current ChatGPT voice, along with the voice preview. You can use the left and right arrows to browse through the available voice options. You can choose from voices such as Cove, Breeze, Juniper, Ember, Soul, Spruce, and other available options. Once you find a voice you like, simply select it. You can also change the model and language settings from this page if needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed the ChatGPT voice on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.